Here's 87 ways to make $100 or more per day online. If you've been on the internet for any length of time, you have seen plenty of ads teaching how to make thousands of dollars a minute, working in your underwear, in the comfort of your own home. These ads are so ridiculous sounding that most people doubt whether it is really possible to make money like that online. The truth is, it is possible. It might be hard to make thousands of dollars a minute in the beginning, but there are certainly ways you can start making an extra $100 a day working from home with ease. In this report, I am going to share 87 versatile ways in which you can create more income. I have tried to cover all types of methods for all different personality and skill types. And I am confident that you will be able to find at least a few that sound good to you. While some of them require more work than others, please know that you can mix and match. For example, maybe you can do a few hours of foreign moderation at $10 an hour for $30, and then make up the extra $70 doing something else. The key is to have fun and do whatever you enjoy. I have given an overview of each idea, and then fleshed them all out a little bit so you could get started on whatever you like, immediately. Bonus! You can own this report and publish it online including full and unlimited resale rights for only $7. But hurry because this is a limited time special deal. Just click on the PayPal button below to get downloaded instantly. Yours for publishing profits. Lee Cusano. CashOrdersDaily.com